Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your fraud detection with FICO, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your FICO account. Navigate to the fraud detection dashboard. Review your current fraud detection settings. Identify the specific areas where upgrades are needed. Click on the upgrade button located on the dashboard. Select the type of advanced analytics you wish to apply. Choose from options such as machine learning models or enhanced rules. Evaluate the features and benefits of each option. Consider how these upgrades align with your business goals. After making your selection, initiate the upgrade process. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure the upgrade settings. Set parameters for your new fraud detection tools. Customize alerts and notifications based on your preferences. Be sure to integrate these tools with your existing systems. Test the upgraded features in a controlled environment. Monitor their performance over a set period. Adjust the settings as necessary for optimum results. Finally, document the changes for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.